Okay, here we are in the thick of it. Question 2D. For question 2D, we are looking for the coefficient of x to the fourth. And again, I have an x, and I wrote the 2 over square root of x as x to the negative 1/2. So you need to understand about negative exponents and fractional exponents. We don't have time to go over that. So if you need to review that, then you need to do that. But we're looking for the coefficient of x to the fourth. So at a certain point, I'm going to have a 4 as a power on x. Well, I know that any term is going to have 10 choose k. I just don't know what k is here. But I do know I'm going to have that first thing to the, which is just a plain old x to the 10 minus k. And then I'm going to have the next thing, which is in fact a negative 2x to the negative 1/2. And I'm going to raise that to the k. For the moment, I'm going to ignore this negative 2 because I'm just trying to solve for k. So I'm going to have x to the 10 minus k, when I multiply those exponents, times x to the negative k over 2. For some k value, that's going to give me x to the fourth. So the first order of business is to figure out what k is. So when I add these exponents, that's going to be, let's see, I'll just write this out. 10 minus k over 2 should give me x to the fourth. Okay, so in other words, 10 minus, I'm going to combine these. 3k over 2 should give me a 4. So negative 3k over 2, in other words, is negative 6. Get rid of those negatives. Let's multiply both sides by 2/3. So we're just left with k is equal to 4. Okay, so now we know this. So now I can write this as 10 choose 4. I'm going to have x to the 10 minus 4 is 6, and I am going to have negative 2, x to the negative 1/2 to the fourth. And let me tidy this up. So 10 choose 4. 10 choose 4 is 210. This is going to give me x to the 6th. Negative 2 to the fourth, I know, is 16. And when I multiply these exponents, that's going to give me x to the negative 2. So 210 times 16 gives me 3360, and I'm going to have an x to the fourth as expected. So the coefficient is 3360.